the number of fish F in Skipper's Pond at the beginning of each year can be modeled by this equation, f of x equals 3 times 2 raised to the x, where x represents the number of years after the beginning of the year 2000. For example, x equals 0 represents the beginning of the year 2000, x equals 1 represents the beginning of the year 2001, and so forth. According to the model, how many fish were in Skipper's Pond at the beginning of the year 2006? So we have this equation, f of x equals 3 times 2 raised to the x, where x is the year that we're looking at. So we're told that x equals 0 corresponds to the year 2000, and x equals 1 corresponds to the year 2001. So that means the x equals 6 corresponds to the year 2006. And that's the year that we want to determine the number of fish. So we just need to replace this x in the equation that gives us the number of fish with 6, which corresponds to the year 2006. So we just need to find the value of f of 6, where x equals 6. So 3 times 2 raised to 6. So 2 raised to the 6 is just 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and times 2. So 2 multiplied by itself 6 times. So we can simplify these pairs of 2 down into just 4. So 4 times 4 times 4. And then we could multiply these together as well. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4. And 16 times 4 is equal to 64. So 2 raised to the 6 is just 64. So f of 6 is equal to 3 times 64. And 3 times 64 is just equal to 192. So after the year 2006 begins, there are 192 fish in the pond, which is answer choice B.